Hi everyone! Welcome to today's lesson about the perfect, the present perfect and the past perfect. What should you focus on in this lesson? Well, you have to know how to form the present perfect and the past perfect, and you have to be able to use these tenses correctly. Let's first of all take a look at the question how we form the present perfect. We use have plus past participle. With he, she and it, we use has instead of have, and then also a past participle. Examples: we have worked, he has walked, you have slept, she has gone. How do we form the past perfects? Well, instead of have and has, we use had plus a past participle. Examples: we had played, they had come. Let us now concentrate on the question, when do we use the present perfect? We use the present perfect when there is no time adjunct, simply because time is not important. Instances would be, she has gone to Spain, and we have done our homework. We use the present perfect when the result of a past action is important now. In other words, we use the present perfect when the result of an action in the past is important for the present. This is an example. I have washed my hair. I did this earlier, but the result in the present is this. My hair is soft and shiny now. Another example would be, he has lost his key. The result in the present is that he can't get into the house. Finally, we also use the present perfect when the past and the present are somehow connected. For instance, we have lived in this house for 5 years. This means that we started living here 5 years ago and we still live here. That's why we use the present perfect. Another example would be, my grandfather has collected stamps since he was 8 years old. That means that he started collecting stamps when he was 8 years old, and he still does so. Therefore, we use present perfect. This is a list of time adjuncts that require the perfect: since, for, already, yet, just, recently, lately, so far, up to now, and ever. Please bear in mind the rules for using past simple. We use the past simple when the past and the present are not connected. For instance, we first met in 2010. I bought a new car a month ago. This is a short list of time adjuncts that require the past simple: yesterday, last week, last month, last year, ago, when, in 2012, then. Each and every time you see an adjunct like this, use the past simple. You are now ready to do exercise 1.